I'm in the rear seat of the 2017 Chevy Malibu, and there's a power outlet, 12-volt power outlet, underneath the center console here, next to your 120 volt, 150 watt AC outlet. If this outlet's not working, the 12-volt outlet, there's a fuse that's located in the driver's side by the steering wheel underneath the air conditioner vent, and this little fuse block that's covered with this panel. To get this panel off, take something like a knife blade or a key and stick it in this little slot here and just pull back. And the fuse for that rear 12-volt outlet is located right here on the very bottom of this fuse block, right in the center. And it's a 20-amp fuse. So it's this one right here, this little yellow one that my fingertip's on. And anyways, there's some spare fuses in the car. They're not in this fuse panel cover, which it obviously has a slot for a tool and multiple spare fuses. I don't know why they didn't load it. But anyways, in the engine compartment, you go to the driver's side of the engine compartment, there's this fuse block cover here. To open this fuse block, you just grab the bottom of these tabs, pull straight up, cover comes off, and you have spare fuses right here. And then there's a fuse puller here. Your 20-amp fuse is this one here, and you pull this fuse out, take the fuse puller, come back in here, pull your bad fuse out, and replace it. Just put it around the tool on it, pull straight back, and the fuse will come straight out. And you just take the new fuse and carefully put it in the same slot. And that should get you going on that rear 12-volt outlet. And about 90% of the time that should get you going. You might have a bad charger that's actually plugged into there also. But more than likely, blown fuse and that will keep any device from working in that 12-volt outlet. And anyways, I hope this helped to get you going. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. And we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching again.